In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time format in Todoist. If you're someone who values proper time management and organization, then knowing how to customize the time format that works best for you is an essential skill. With Todoist, you have the flexibility to switch between regular and military time formats, ensuring that your task deadlines align perfectly with your everyday schedule. And here's how you do it. First, open up your Todoist app and make your way to your homepage. You should see an overview of your tasks, projects, and upcoming deadlines. Now, look towards the top left corner of your screen, and you'll see your profile icon sitting patiently for your next move. Click on it. This will lead you to a drop-down menu where you will find various options that allow you to customize your Todoist experience. From this menu, find the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will lead you to the core area where you can adjust your app settings to better meet your personal preferences. Once you're in Settings, you'll see several tabs on the left-hand side. In our mission to change the time format, you'll need to focus your attention on the General tab. Go ahead and click on it. Within the General tab, you'll find numerous settings related to your account, but what you're looking for is the Time Format section, which will show a drop-down menu. Clicking on this drop-down will give you two options, one for military time and another for the regular 12-hour format. Now it's time for you to make your selection. If you prefer having your times displayed in the 24-hour military format, which is often favored by those accustomed to working with an international schedule or the military itself, choose military time. On the other hand, if you find the regular 12-hour format easier to manage, select that instead. Once you've made your choice, it's crucial to confirm your selection. This is simply done by clicking on Update. This update will immediately change your Todoist's time format to your chosen preference, so you can begin experiencing an interface that's personalized just for you. And that's all there is to it. By completing these steps, you have successfully managed to change your time format on Todoist, enhancing your productivity and ensuring that you're always on top of what's next on your agenda. Thank you for tuning in and following this guide, and remember, whether it's meetings, deadlines, or personal reminders, having your Todoist set up in your preferred time format can help keep your life beautifully organized.